Hi, I'm Eric Liu. I'm a volunteer here at the Chinese American Lions Club. Today we gave away over 30 flu shots, and we also did some acupuncture, and were able to see patients that were not able to afford to see doctors and do not have insurance or means of paying. So our service is free, and we're the Chinese American Lions Club. As you can see, we have this event every last Sunday of each month. So the last day is Sunday of each month. We have gracious doctor like Grace Chai, Dr. Hanson Chang, Regina Wang, and of course all the nice volunteers and the nurses and of the Filipino Association, and also the medical student and college students to come here to help. Again, thank you.
我现在年龄85了哈，我喜欢这个公益之情，多做点这个献一点工作做一点事情对大众有好处，我都喜欢。现在没什么所求了哈，就这样子。
你有吃晚餐吗？
这里医院都没有的，嘉义是有规有普通话的沟通的，他这个持续很高明的，对这个研究很有效。这个见到病句，我们这个好几次一研究就好了。谢谢。
感谢大夫为我服务，又免费，实在谢谢。
感谢蔡医生哦，他义务为我们诊断，给我们这些新移民很大的帮助，谢谢大家，
多谢。停到噶嘛，你要一條，你唔好話一嚟就停咗，下一次又唔得噶啦。你食1年啊？
我都係穩定啲。你叫你同我睇下，都係即係話。
今日你過嚟，
佢係抽血嗰時係要空腹咧，定係下午上完課？下午上完課都可以。呢隻唔要求空腹㗎。即係你抽血可以。